Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the motog stylus 5G 2023 for Boost Mobile. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to one of my subscribers. So shout out to DJ Mars 1983. He let me know about the motog stylus 5G on Boost Mobile, so thank you for the tip, bro. I really appreciate that. So anyways, this is the new motog stylus 5G. This is the 2023 version. This one has 5G, of course, and it is now available for $149.99 currently on sale. The full retail price is $269.99. 128 gigabytes of storage, and y'all guys have a cosmic black color option there. There is the phone right there, very nice looking phone. So if you guys are looking to get a phone with a stylus pen, this is the phone for you. If you guys are wanting it on the cheap, the motog stylus 5G is what checking out here. So y'all guys can see that this has a big ass display, hole punch with front facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone, dual camera setup on the back, camera flash, and your moto logo there on the back. Very nice looking phone. There is the screen there, big ass screen, hole punch with front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. Left side, I think it has your micro SD and SIM card slot somewhere in this area here. There's the back of the phone. Like I said, dual camera setup, camera flash, and your moto logo there on the back. And the phone is made of plastic, so keep that in mind. There's the back of it there. Very nice looking phone. There's the back, front and back once again, alright? So the motog stylus 5G has 20 hours of video time, 6.6 inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, Android 13 on board. It says create at the speed of your imagination. With the built-in stylus, lightning fast 5G connectivity, and a powerful Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. Unleash your creativity with motog stylus 5G. Features: high-speed creativity. Unleash your creativity. Create at the speed of your imagination, or write naturally, just like using pen and paper with a built-in stylus. The stylus is perfect to jot notes, edit photos, sketch artwork, copy and paste text, mark up screenshots, and navigate with ease. Faster performance, better connections. Elevate your experience with virtually no buffering or lags, powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor while connecting to blazing fast 5G networks. Alright, cinematic experience anywhere. So it has a 6.6 inch display. Give your content the widescreen and clarity they deserve. 120Hz refresh rate. Switch, scroll, or stream seamlessly with a fast refresh rate. Full HD plus display. View your favorite entertainment edge to edge and razor sharp detail. Better sound. Surround yourself and the scene with 2 large speakers and Dolby Atmos, so that is very cool. Make every shot brighter. Whether it's day or night, let in more light and capture sharper photos thanks to an advanced 50 megapixel camera system enhanced with ultra pixel technology. More features you will love. Store more memories. With up to 128 gigabytes built-in storage, there is tons of room for your sketches, notes, photos, movies, music, and everything else. Add up to 2 terabyte more of storage using a micro SD card, which you'll want to provide that. Up to 2 days of power. Gear up for an uninterrupted fun within 5,000 mAh battery and have more time to stream, share, or game. Make it yours. With MyUX, your phone works the way you want. Control your phone with simple gestures, customize your settings, and create a look that's all you. Specs: The Moto G Stylus 5G has a 6.6 inch display, Full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, Android 13. The Moto G Stylus weighs 7.125 ounces, that's interesting. Cameras, 50 megapixel main camera with ultra pixel technology, 8 megapixel. Alright, this whole shit's fucking confused me here. The main camera is 50 megapixels, and that has an ultra pixel technology. It has an 8 megapixel ultra wide, macro vision, and depth camera lens. So it's like 3 lenses in one, which is interesting. So that is very interesting, and it has a 16 megapixel front facing camera with quad pixel technology. So that's very nice. It has 128 gigabytes of storage, and it has 60 gigabytes of RAM, I believe. Your connectivity options have Type-C, of course, Wi-Fi 8 to 211, ABGN and AC, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1. Dimensions on the Moto G Stylus 5G: 6.41 inches height, 2.90 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. Other features include 2 terabytes of expandable storage, which you will have to provide the micro SD card. Alright. What's included with the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 is the device itself, Type-C charging cable, SIM ejection tool, and your manual, and that is it. You will have to provide your own charger. So send itself in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. Beast Mobile now has the Moto G Stylus 5G. This is the 2023 version. Definitely worth checking out. If you guys can get this phone for $150, it's definitely a steal. The full retail price is $269.99. It's still at that price too. That's also a great deal too. So it doesn't matter if you get it for retail price or get it on sale. Definitely worth picking up if you guys like stylus. If you guys like the Moto G Stylus line, this is the phone to check out. If you guys want a stylus pen with the stylus pen on the cheap, the Moto G Stylus 5G is worth checking out here. It's definitely worth checking out. It has great specs, great features, definitely worth checking out. And it also looks very nice too. So there you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.